Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about nested dictionaries, a dictionary that contains another dictionary as a value. So here I'm having a dictionary called students, and in this student dictionary, I'm having two other dictionaries called Alice and Bob. And the Alice dictionary has two keys, age and grade, and two values, 25 and A. In the nested dictionary called Bob, I'm having two keys again, age and grade, and two values, 22 and B. In order to access the nested data in our dictionary here, for example, if I want to know the grade of Alice from the student dictionary, I can type down the print function here, then type down the name of the dictionary. Then I'm having square brackets, and in the first square bracket, I'm typing down the name of Alice, for example, and then the grade key that I would like to have the output here. So as you see here, I'm printing that. So when I run the code, I see A in the output, which is the grade for Alice in the student dictionary. We could also have the, for example, students, then have the Bob here, and then having the grade of Bob in the output. So when I run this code, I see B, which is the grade of Bob. And if I wanted to have the age of Alice, I could type down the name of the dictionary and two square brackets. In the first one, I type down the name of the first nested data, which is Alice. Then I type down the age. So when I run this code, I expect to see number 25 in the output. And similarly, we can have the output for Bob's age here. So when I run this code now, I see 22. So in this video, we learned about nested dictionaries, or how to access nested data in a dictionary. Thank you for watching.